Before I throw open for the press to ask us a few questions, I would want to start with asking you one question, if you permit.
Please, please.
How Kolkata Knight Riders? I'm in this fantastic. I want to see if you can pass some of that to me. Or it'll be wonderful.
No, not at all. We've actually learned from you, Nagesh. I read about all great people, all wonderful people who are trying to achieve things for consumers, for audience. I only work for the audience. My whole ideology in life is that I will try to do things which are new for the audience. I'll give it my best shot, and I tell everyone who works with me that the nicest thing to do, and I teach this to my children as also, the two words I keep repeating again and again: let's try and go wrong. That is the worst that can happen. Give it your best shot, knowing fully well that you can go wrong. If you believe in going wrong, chances are you never will. You will get it right, it will all turn out well, and even when I meet the team, there's a wonderful set of people, all of them. I don't tell them go and win. I just say go ahead and do everything that can go wrong, let it go wrong and enjoy. And most of the times things have done well for me and for the little company that we have. And all make mistakes. It's not about the monies. Monies follows people that you're doing it for. You don't lie to them. You have to be very honest with them. So I tell my wife, my children, everyone keeps asking me, how do you have so much energy? You're dancing there at the IPL matches, then you come back and do the shooting, then you go back and record the song, and then you go back again for the team. I'm flying to Paris tomorrow, then come back and join the team again. It's just that I would give my life as long as it makes that one extra person happy who's watching me. And that's what I work for. The team works like that, and I think the passion flows because of that. And we should always have the guts and the thought in our heart that we can all go, we don't know. We don't know if things are going to work out right. If we accept that, I think Allah, God, Bhagwan is always with you and helps you. And I think it's people like Shopper Stop. There's so many of you people in this country who have done so well for India. And at the heart of all this is we want to make our country proud, in whatever field we are in. So thank you for teaching us this.